becoming boring for your students? Are your classroom PPTs dull to hold your students' attention? Here's a great way to make your presentation attractive. Use Canva. Canva is a free software that lets you make presentations, videos, posters and whatnot. So let's get started.
Let's begin with signing in and creating a presentation. Now go to canva.com and log on to it or sign in if you're doing it for the first time. On the home screen, navigate to presentation. If you want to explore your creativity, you can simply start by beautification on this blank slides, or you can otherwise choose from hundreds of templates available on Canva. You need to go to the left bar and click on templates. Multiple templates would appear. You can select any one template. Over here, you can either go for applying only one slide. So I've just clicked on the slide that I require from this template. Or you can apply all the slides of the template. So over here, I will click on apply all 18 pages.
Their amazing library of over 1 million stock images, graphics and illustrations will enhance your presentation and make it look professional. Many of these images are free, while premium images are not more than $1 each.
To add cool images available on Canva, go to Photos, search for the image and select it. You can resize it and place it where you want to. Click on the image. You will get various options to edit the image, like you can apply effects, you can apply filter, you can adjust the color of the image. You can also crop the image. Just double click on it, crop it and click on enter. Now if you want to flip the image, you can flip the image horizontally or vertically. Apart from images, you can also add videos available on Canva under the videos section. Search for the video you need, but ensure that it is a free video, not the premium one. If you want to use the premium videos, you need to buy the premium version of Canva. Place the video where you want to, resize it. You can also trim your video. Here I'll go to trimming and select the part that I want from my video. Here you can see as I am trimming the video, the time also of the video is getting reduced. And then click on done. Cropping option for video is also available. You can crop the video as much as you require and click on enter. Coming to the text part, if you have selected a presentation template, you will come across various text box on this presentation itself. You can simply go and edit the texts. If required, you can change the font type. So here the font type is Jingleberry. I can change it to Open Sans Light. You can reduce the font size. You can change the color of the font as well from the font colors option. Few text editing tools that we usually use in PowerPoint are also available in Canva, such as bold, italic, underline, uppercase, lowercase, alignment, bullet points, list, spacing, and so on. If you want an extra text box, you can simply go to text, select the type of text you require. At the top, the basic versions are given, such as heading, subheading, or text body. You can also choose from the various cool text options available. So I'll go for this one. Place it correctly and edit it.
They have a good collection of music as well that is just perfect for your background audio.
To apply music to your presentation, go to Music. So here we have options: instrumental, advertising, epic, bright, pop, piano. You can play the music and see if you like it. If you like it, click on it and it gets added to your presentation. To set the volume of the background music, you just click on the song and go to the volume icon on the top right corner and reduce or increase the volume.
Now what if you have the images, videos, music of your own that you want to use, not Canva's? In that case, Canva lets you upload your media content as well.
To upload your media content, you just need to go to Uploads, click on Upload Media, select from where you want to upload the media from. So my content is on my system. Here I have uploaded an image. I will click on it. It will appear on the presentation slide. Again, resize it and drag it and place it wherever you want to place it. The editing option available to edit the photos of Canva are also available for editing the uploaded media images. Same goes for video and music. You can edit the music and video that you upload from your own system.
Even after adding all the images, videos, music, your presentation does not look that attractive. Elements are the best feature about Canva.
From the Elements section, you can choose loads and loads of elements that will make your presentation look amazing. From lines, shapes, frames, stickers, charts, what not elements are there. Simply go to Elements and search for what you want.
Other important feature of Canva which you'll also find on PowerPoint is one is grouping and the second is transparent.
You can group multiple elements or media content, which makes it so much easier to move them together. Just select the media content or the elements that you want to group. So I want to group these two trees and go to group. Now you see they are under one single frame and now I am able to move them easily. Another editing option of Canva is transparent feature, where you can make a particular element or an image or even a video go transparent. Just select the element, go to transparency option and set the transparency level.
You might be working on a presentation with your colleague who is sitting somewhere else. Nothing to worry. Collaboration on presentation with Canva is very simple and easy.
To create a team, simply go to share, mention the email ID of the people you want to share the particular presentation with. Write a message if you want to. You can select the sharing option if you want them to edit the presentation or if you want them to view the presentation, and click on send.
What if you need to make some last minute edits to your presentation? You can access all your presentations on the web from any laptop or computer. You can present it online or you can download it and present it later.
Once all the changes are done and your presentation is ready, you can directly present it online or you can go and simply download it. Go to the download icon, select the file type in which you want to download it as. I will select PDF so that all the elements are intact. Select the slides you want to download. You can either select few slides which you want to download or you can select all and click on done and download it. The other option to do so is present it online. Just click on the present option. And from here you can present your presentation in the class.
A well-designed presentation is the key to engaging your students. You'll need to make it easy, simple to understand. Your presentation made using Canva will improve your ability to become a good communicator. Hope this will help you improve your presentation. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Happy teaching!